Yes, and joining me now for sports is I24 News host of Sport Magazine, Jonathan Regev. Good evening, Jonathan.
Evening, Ayman.
Tell me what's going on with Rafael Nadal.
First of all, I'm very happy to be here to speak about tennis. No, the games on the court and not all the things we spoke about last night. Rafael Nadal, world number 5, former world number 1, is out of the Australian Open in the first round. A major shock. Only twice in his career he went out of a Grand Slam tournament in the first round. Only once it happened in Australia. And yes, he lost to Fernando Verdasco. Is it a surprise? Yes. Is it a major surprise? No. Rafael Nadal had a very tough time in 2015 dealing with various injuries. And he's still not at his best. When Nadal is at his best, he's one of the best players in the world. In the same line there, along with Novak Djokovic, along with Roger Federer. But he's not at his best. He's out. And he will not be playing Dudisela, the Israeli, in the second round.
And what's going on with the NBAs? Is anyone at his best there?
A few months ago, the Cavs and the Warriors, what a final series that was. The Cavaliers, they lost, but they gave them quite a fight, LeBron James. A completely different story last night in Cleveland. The Warriors came in and just thrashed the Cavs 132-98. The Golden State beat the Cavs in Cleveland by 34 points.
Unbelievable numbers.
Yes, and there was another game between these two finalists in Christmas Day that was in Oakland. Golden State was the host back then. They won it also, but not by such a big margin. They won the game by 34. It could have easily been more. J.R. Smith, they were seeing it from Cleveland, ejected from the game.
Wow.
A huge gap at the moment between the two finalists. One thing that we have to say, we're in January, titles are won in June. A lot of things can change until then.
Jonathan Regev, thank you very much
I'll
for
be
this.
replacing you over there.
You're moving to this seat at 10.